Hi and welcome back. I hope you've all had a lovely weekend. We've been hoping for sunshine here over in the UK. However, it may seem that the UK and European travel groups may not be hoping for so much sunshine over here in the UK. This is because we're seeing a build-up of negative investor sentiment in these groups, and today we're going to take a look at the key travel groups announcing earnings in the UK over the next week. First of all, let's take a look at Thomas Cook. They've been seeing a rise in short interest over the past year. Short interest has currently hit an annual high once again, and it is standing at 11% of total shares outstanding on loan. Now, we have seen shares falling, and they are now trading at near annual low levels. However, with short interest still rising, there may be a risk that share price may continue to fall. Second, let's have a look at TUI Travel, who will be announcing after Thomas Cook. They've seen also a decrease in share price over the last few months. However, over the month of April, there was a slight recovery, and we did see short sellers come in and cover their short positions, reducing short interest from 9% to 7%. However, this is still quite high, and it is key to note that there's a couple of convertible bonds in issue here, which may be resulting in convertible arbitrage. Next, let's have a look at Easyjet. Easyjet last week reported that there's been an increase of 35% in passenger traffic throughout the month of April. In response to this, we did see an upward shoot in share price. However, let's compare this to last year when we had the volcanic ash crisis. This was probably an expected increase. Short interest here has been rising since February from a low of 0.5% and currently stands at 2% of total shares outstanding on loan. Now, if you are staying in the UK and maybe planning a trip to Brighton or maybe Bournemouth, are you planning to drive? Because it seems that the coach and rail group, FirstGroup, have also been seeing a rising negative sentiment. What we've seen here is a tumble in its share price by about 20% since January, and short interest has doubled up to 8% of total shares outstanding on loan. And an extra factor thrown in is the UK Competition Commission has announced that it will be looking into the ground transportation industry in the UK to increase competitiveness and maybe introduce further players. Currently, we see a top 5 number of players, including FirstGroup. To read the full report, please go to dataexplorers.com/news. Thank you for listening and have a great day.